Hey, let me show you how we can change keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So we got like two options. First of all, when you got the default Samsung keyboard, all you have to do is just to click on the settings icon. And when you are here, you will have to go for theme. So here we can find it. And as you can see, we can only find this for themes. So it's not actually impressive, but this one that I'm using, it's actually the custom one. And if you want to create something like this, you will have to open Galaxy Store. Now we have to go into the Good Lock application. We have to search for this one. Open this one, just like this. Now wait until it will pop up on your phone. And we have to go for this option, Keys Cafe. This is the application that will allow us to actually customize our keyboard. So we have to get this plugin open, and as you can see here, we can find just some recommendations, different themes. That's actually a lot of them. You can also create your own by clicking here, and you can literally change everything, even the color of a specific button, or for example, the border there is around them. So there's like super options for customization. But if you want to get just a picture on your keyboard, well, you will have to actually go for the Google Play Store and get the different keyboard application. You will have to download the Gboard, the Google Keyboard application. And now if you set this as default, we have to just go for the settings. Oh, but not here. So what you have to do after it will be downloaded, go to the settings, scroll to the general management, go for language, for Samsung keyboard settings. Oh, yeah, no. For the keyboard, and here we have to enable Gboard with this switcher. Go for the default keyboard and select Gboard. So it will be available here for me. Now we have to open a Gboard and now go for theme. As you can see, we can find some photos, landscapes. There we go. We can click apply. And now as you can see, it's changed.